Hey guys, this is a simple avocado recipe that can be done in just a couple of minutes, and it's a great way to start the day or complement to another dish. Whatever the case, I don't think you'll regret trying this out at least once, so see if you like it too. Here's a quick snapshot of the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. First, I mix together some lemon juice, soy sauce, wasabi, and mayonnaise. Preferably use Kewpie mayonnaise, but if you don't have access to it, any kind of mayonnaise should be fine. Next step is to pick the perfectly ripe avocado. I've tried reading into tips and tricks on how to tell when avocados are perfectly ripe, but the only thing that's really worked for me consistently has been feeling the firmness, more so than looking at the color or texture of the skin. The perfectly ripe avocados have been the ones that are slightly softer than the most firm avocados you can find at the supermarket. As for the protein, I used shrimp in this one, but I've had success with canned tuna in water, not the one in oil, boiled chicken breast, or imitation crab. If you use the imitation crab, you'll probably see that this is basically a deconstructed California roll without the rice. If you're using the canned tuna, make sure to toss the water. We don't need any of that in the actual salad because that'll make it a little bit too watery. For the cucumber, cut them into bite-sized pieces. What I personally like doing is taking a spoon and scraping out the seeds in the middle, and I find that this helps the salad from becoming too watery in the end. Lastly, all you have to do is mix everything together and add some sesame seeds on top, and you're done. It's something that's pretty filling and very nutritious, and you can make it even when you're pressed for time. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have fun in the kitchen.